Today our class is Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Our topic is nomenclature of organic compound. Firstly, we discuss about the hydrocarbon. Simply hydrocarbon. Hydro matlab hydrogen, carbon simple carbon. Valency of carbon atom is 4. What is hydrocarbon? The compound possessing carbon and hydrogen atom only are called as hydrocarbon. Types: saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon in which all bond of carbon atom are fully satisfied and cannot take up the more hydrogen. Saturated hydrocarbon like alkane. What is alkane? Carbon-carbon single bond. And unsaturated hydrocarbon in which all bond of carbon atom are not fully satisfied and so can take only more hydrogen. Unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkene. What alkene? Carbon-carbon double bond. And alkyne, carbon-carbon triple bond. Now discuss about the cyclic and acyclic compound. Acyclic compound, the compound which molecules are in the open chain are known as the open chain or cyclic compound, in which carbon atom are in the open chain system. So this compound is known as open chain compound or acyclic compound. And cyclic compound in which compounds which one or more ring of atom. In this structure, carbon atom are joined in a ring. So it is called as the cyclic compound. Now discuss about the functional group and their corresponding organic compounds. Firstly, halogen compound. Which halogen compound? Chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. What is the alkane? Alkane, all carbon atom joined to each other by a single carbon atom. In this structure, carbon-carbon single bond, single bond identified by the carbon-carbon single bond is called as alkane. In this structure, alkene is identified by the presence of double bond. In this structure, carbon-carbon double bond, so it is called as alkene functional group. Then next is the alkyne. Alkyne is identified the presence of triple bond. In this structure, carbon-carbon triple bond. Now question arises, what is functional group? There is two structures. There is carbon-carbon double bond and in this structure carbon-carbon triple bond. Presence of double bond and triple bond or in this structure, double bond and triple bond give the functional and properties of organic compound because the reason of double bond and triple bond is called as functional group. In this group, alcohol, there is a one carbon atom linked to the functional group. What functional group? OH. OH is the alcohol functional group. In this structure, aldehyde. In this structure, carbon atom is linked with the CHO group. CHO group is the aldehyde functional group. What is carboxylic acid? In which carbon atom linked with the COOH group, known as carboxylic acid functional group.